Have you ever said this to yourself? I'm just lazy. I can't seem to get anything done. But what if you're wrong? What if you're not lazy at all, just mentally burned out? Because the truth is, laziness isn't always the cause. Sometimes it's a symptom of stress, exhaustion, or emotional depletion. And in this video, we're going to unpack that. Step by step, you'll learn how to recognize the hidden signs of burnout, the difference between being lazy and being overloaded, and the 3-step daily recovery system that gets your energy back fast. Because you don't need more guilt, you need a plan. Let's reset your mind. Chapter 1. Why you feel lazy. Here's something no one tells you. Burnout doesn't always feel like exhaustion. Sometimes it feels like apathy. You stare at your to-do list and feel nothing. You delay simple tasks, not because they're hard, but because you just can't. You say, "I'll do it later," and then feel guilty for not doing it. You think you're lazy, but this isn't laziness, it's a mental energy crisis. Here's the science. Your brain has limited cognitive fuel, a mix of focus, decision power, and willpower, and modern life burns through it like gasoline. Constant notifications, pressure to perform, no real rest. And here's the worst part. When your brain runs on empty, it protects itself by shutting down motivation. That's not laziness, that's survival mode. Chapter 2. 5 hidden signs you're mentally burned out. Let's get real. Here are 5 subtle signs you're not lazy. You're burned out. 1. Micro-procrastination. You keep switching tabs, rechecking apps, not starting the real task. 2. Decision fatigue. Even choosing lunch feels overwhelming. 3. Mood swings. You're irritable over small things or feel emotionally numb. 4. Disconnection. You lose interest in things you used to love. Books, people, goals. 5. Fake productivity. You stay busy, but nothing truly important gets done. If any of this sounds familiar, listen carefully. Because fixing it requires recovery, not more hustle. Chapter 3. Why traditional productivity fails burned out people. If you're burned out, then just work harder is like telling a flat battery to try harder. Here's what most productivity advice gets wrong. It assumes you're starting from 100%. But burnout doesn't need pressure. It needs permission. Permission to pause. Permission to rest intentionally. Permission to rebuild. Trying to discipline your way out of burnout only digs the hole deeper. You don't need to do more. You need to do differently. Chapter 4. The 3-step burnout reset system. Here's a daily system designed for recovery and forward motion. Step 1. The 90% rule. Ask yourself each morning, what would 100% effort look like today? Then do 90% of that. Protect your energy. Leave room to feel human. Step 2. The 3 wins journal. Every night, write down one thing you handled today, one moment you felt okay, one small win, no matter how tiny. This retrains your brain to focus on progress, not perfection. Step 3. The energy audit. Use this simple table. Gives energy. Morning walk. Deep work, 1 hour. Laughing with a friend. Drains energy. Doom scrolling. Constant multitasking. Saying yes to too much. List yours. Adjust weekly. The goal, design your day for energy, not effort. Bonus tip, treat rest as a task. Literally schedule downtime like it's a meeting with your future self. If you're watching this and thinking, "That's me, I'm tired, I don't even feel like myself," then pause. Not forever. Just long enough to reset. Remember, you are not broken. You are not lazy. You are a person who needs a recharge. And this video, it's your permission slip. Start with one thing, then another. Momentum will come. And soon, so will you. Which of the 5 burnout signs hit hardest for you? Comment below. I read every one. If this video spoke to you, share it with someone you care about, because we're all fighting silent battles. And sometimes the right words can be a turning point. Subscribe for more videos like this, and remember, rest is not weakness. It's the beginning of your next breakthrough.